people of YouTube's. Some people asked some questions, so Mouse Boy's got some answers, hopefully. I have to remember I'm not a proper graffiti artist, so this is just the best explanation of what I'm doing. Something like this, just for sketch purposes. But this is not about techniques, not about my quality of workmanship. So I'm going to show a few blending techniques, a few little piercing techniques, and we might do some little stars and things like that, so you can see how that works close up. Right, normally you'd probably put this in with a piercing tip, and you'd call it a throw up. You'd do it all in a wanna, usually a bit more bubbly than this, but I'm just going to sketch it in with a bit of shot green light, slightly lighter colours than whatever our shadows are going to be and whatever our outline is going to be, so that we can cut into it nice. Blend the colours from opposites in the letters, so what I'm doing is picking out the darkest and always overlay it with a lighter colour if you can. I found this works better. I'm going to get the best effect here because we're going straight on the wood and I haven't primed it, but you'll see what's happening. So we're going with our next lightest colour, shot green. What we'll see is I'll come down to this point here, same on this one, where are we, this side. So we'll do from there to about there. Oh, that's really weird. My screen's the wrong way around. Anyway, the middle bit, cut down to my line, and what you'll see is change tips over, and I'll drag you in for a close-up on one side so you can see what's going on. We're basically running the can sideways. You can see there we've staged the other colours in, and see if I can get you in somewhere where you can see what's going on for the next bit. Right, so I've swapped over, look, I'm on a gold cap at the minute, still on our light green. Basically we're going to run the can like this, sideways, look. So we're getting that nice spray going down. So it looks right. Are you struggling to see now? Much more discreet change. So do the same on this one. spray that in. This one's the other way around, so we're upside down. So we're spraying up. So we're back down again. So, yeah. Back up again. Go. We'll follow that through, same again with all the lighter colours. I'm going to take a little look back and see if there's any bits we want to cut in and just tidy up, make them look nice. Right, now you can see that's all the inner's done as such. Right, so now we're going to fill in this sort of space around the outsides. Again, screen's upside down, back to front, so this is just a waste of time. We've got a few cans of various oranges left, so we're just going to use that, because why not? Using a calligraphy style cap because it fills quite well and I can't find any of my fat caps at the minute. You'll notice it looks like I'm squatting for a crap when I'm doing these big ones. The key to having smooth lines is being able to move your whole body rather than just giving this. You want this. Instead of this, you want this. Big exaggerated body movements, nice and smooth. Yeah, a bit of background colour in there, as you can see. I'm going to put some shadows in. I'm going to do this before I put the cut lines in, and we've got something to tidy up with, which sometimes it's easy that way. See that now, sticking out a bit. I'm not going mad because I don't want to run out of paint. Again, because of the paint thing, we're using white lilac. Using a Montana number 1, narrow cap, skinny cap, piercing cap, whatever you want to call it. Done. See that now? And this basically looks like white, so I'm just going to use this to put some highlights in there as well. See that? Yes, you can just about make it out, can't you? So you saw I was just highlighting them tips. Anyway, it's the opposite to the shadow, so obviously all the top sides. And all I've done is just tilt down, we'll just dust it in, put a little highlight in like there, along the top of here. Again, you can tilt it over, dust it on, and I'll give you a bit more of a close-up, because you'll see the differences in what you see close-up and what you see further away. How wobbly that is when I'm trying to, can't move my whole body. Tag in there before we put the highlights in. We'll do some stars and stuff. 3D. So this is just a pale yellow. I'm going to use my normal gold tip. Make sure you got a nice clean one. And we'll pick out our highlight spots and just stick a bit of a dust in there. This thing's not very happy. Ain't that to be knackered, look. Yeah. Yeah. Now I've got our white, and we just put a little spot. And we use a straight edge. And we dust up against the edge of the straight edge. This is my straight edge, look, and you can see it's waggoed with paint. And I'm actually aiming about here somewhere. So you're basically just catching the overspray with a nice straight line. And the key is to not have any of your big lines facing the same direction. basically just go back in and highlight them with the white, and that puts the shine on the top, covers the lines up. I'll bring you in for this bit, you should be able to see. So you can see what our lines look. No overspray behind. I'm just going to dust that in there like that. Move ourselves along. Helps when the wind isn't blowing it away from you. And basically, there you go. Contrast's going a bit weird, but it's just a basic, get the idea of what's going on. Could have spent more time making sure everything's even width and, you know, all the rest of it, but there's basically no cuts in this video. It's there's only about 25 minutes of footage altogether, so it doesn't take very long. And you can see how you can quite quickly put something relatively large on the wall in a short space of time. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed it. Answered a few questions. Give us a thumbs up. See you next time.